In this video, I'll guide you through how to export and download your customer list from Dubsado. If you need a copy of your customer or contact list, Dubsado makes the process fairly straightforward. This can be especially useful if you need to move your contacts to another system, keep a separate record of your information, or simply have a downloadable copy of the contacts stored in your Dubsado account. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your Dubsado account and on the main dashboard. From the home screen, look over to the left side of the page. Here, you'll find the Utilities option. Click on Utilities to open the available options. After selecting Utilities, a drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, choose Address Book. This will take you to the section where your Dubsado contacts are displayed. Once the address book opens, you'll be able to see the contacts currently stored in your account. This is the list you'll be exporting. Now, look toward the upper right corner of the page. You'll see an Export option. Click on Export to begin the download process. After selecting Export, you'll then need to choose Email Address. Once you select that option, give Dubsado a moment to process the export. Shortly afterward, the customer list will download and open as a spreadsheet. The spreadsheet contains your contact information organized into different columns. Depending on the information available in your account, you can see details such as first name, last name, email address, phone number, physical address, title, and start information. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your customer list from Dubsado and opened it in a spreadsheet, making the information much easier to review, organize, or use elsewhere. Keep in mind that the exported file contains the contact information available in your Dubsado address book. So it's a good idea to review the spreadsheet after downloading it and make sure everything you expected to export is included. So, if you ever need to download your Dubsado customer list, just go to Utilities, open the address book, select Export, and then choose Email Address. The file will be generated and downloaded for you automatically.